Okay, hi. This is my other PK Ripper bike check. Have to use a flashlight because it's all dark in my house. Okay, so we'll start with the forks. There's Sims Stealth aluminum forks with some bombshell rims, with the bombshell hubs, titanium spokes, the time clip pedals, the Sims cranks with the SEC. Don't have a brake hooked up yet. Well, I have the brake, but it's not hooked up yet. It's a Paul brake. Then bombshell rim in the back with the hub. Loud freewheel. 46 tooth gear. 46 tooth gear. Animal stem with the H-Factor headset and the S&M bars with some OE lock-on grips and OE bar ends. I think that's about it. Thank you for watching.